shit. We can't do anything, just leave it. Your car's gone.
Ah! Fuck!
Just leave it, we can't do anything. Don't go out there, team.
Fucking fuck.
How far up's it going to come?
No idea.
It's gonna push Reese's car.
Yeah. It's going to tip over. Simone's ringing for SES for us.
Oh, it's gone up onto the garden.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's on video.
because I'll need proof, won't I?
Yeah, video it. Video the street.
Ah!
Turn the video.
My car!
Alone.
It's hitting your car. Oh my god, it's taking your car, Reese.
Just keep videoing until they
I can't talk to him right now. Can somebody else?
There's your house.
Sean said the water's starting to come up to the front door.
Yeah, we'll be just let that pass down.
Yeah.
Look how much that's come up in 10 minutes.
I know.
All we need is sandbag. We haven't got any sandbag.
Yeah, like we were prepared for this. Not. My car's starting to go further. Oh my god. There's nothing we can do. Stop raining. Oh, the water's starting to go over the top of my car.
Alright?
The water's starting to go over the top.
Sideways.
Oh, my car's rooted,
Yeah,
isn't
yep.
it? Is Reese's?
Yep.
Is this the way I've got to get a car? Want a ball?
Yep.
Oh, Reese, your car.
I loved you, car! I loved you! You were a great car!
I loved mine more. Look! Oh, no.
Oh, fuck. Wait. That's not good.
No.
That's not good. One same thing is, it's the thing that's stopping the water currently is our cars.
I know.
Once those cars go, then that'll slow down a bit.
Oh, be careful, Oz.
Are you going to try and get it up? Or are you going to drive it up a little bit?
Oh, there they go.
I loved you, car!
Oh, Reese, Our calves are leaving us.
I loved you. I really did.
Oh no!
It's a cartoon.
Bye. Bye.
See you.
Oh, I can't see it. Oh, it's gone.